Are you ready to do something really different and have lots of fun? Hi, I'm Captain Randy. If you want to get out there and see the real Florida, bring your friends or family on a private boat with a friendly captain as your guide. We'll take you to some of the best spots that you must have a boat to get to. And along the way, we might see some amazing dolphins up close. We could see a gentle manatee, a spotted eagle ray, or a school of stingrays swimming by. We can go island hopping and sightseeing, or just anchor up at a sandbar where you can hunt for seashells and sand dollars. You can float around and listen to music, or look underwater for cool sea creatures. For your enjoyment, each boat has a cooler with ice and bottled water and plenty of shade so you can comfortably enjoy some cold drinks and snacks. Over the years, our guests told us this was the best thing they did on their entire trip to Florida, so it became our mission to make every guest feel that way. Whether you're a small family or a large group of friends, this is a custom experience where we can go wherever and do whatever you want. And if you're not sure, leave it up to your captain to show you a great time. I've spent much of my life around the islands and waterways of Florida. There's something special about this place. Come out and have a great time on a beautiful boat and let us show it to you. It really will be the best part of your vacation.